left.
In case of a drop in cabin pressure, breathing masks will drop from the ceiling and should be placed over your head. If there is smoke in the cabin during the evacuation
Stream
of the
clearance.
aircraft...
Good afternoon. Sri Lankan 1905, ready for pushback at Bravo 3.
Air China 3167 cleared for takeoff runway 30 left.
Jordanian 8671, line up and wait runway 30 left.
Stream ground Air Asia 8516, taxi to the gates.
Sri Lankan 1905, cleared for pushback.
Air Asia 8516, taxi to gate Bravo 2.
Stream tower EVA 4715, ready for takeoff runway 30 left.
Stream tower, good afternoon. FadeX 69er26 is on approach. FadeX 69er26 clear to land runway 30 right.
Stream ground. Sri Lankan 1905, ready to taxi.
Stream clearance. Good afternoon. Air Asia 1371, ready for pushback at Bravo 4.
Sri Lankan 1905, taxi to runway 30 left.
Air Asia 1371, cleared for pushback.
Gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and crew, welcome aboard this flight. We hope...
Jordanian 8671, cleared for takeoff runway 30 left.
EVA 4715, line up and wait runway 30 left.
Stream ground Lufthansa 1114 taxi to the gate. Lufthansa
On behalf of the
1114
captain and
taxi to
crew,
gate Bravo 3.
Stream ground Air Asia 1371, ready to taxi. Air Asia 1371, taxi to runway
Ladies and
30
gentlemen,
left.
please take...
Stream clearance. Good afternoon. Malaysian 7869, ready for pushback at Alpha 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf...
Malaysian 7869, cleared for pushback.
Stream tower, Malaysian 2961, ready for takeoff runway 30 left.
Stream Tower, good afternoon. Malaysian 3848 is on approach. Malaysian 3848 cleared to land runway 30 right.
Line entering 3250, continue taxi.
Stream ground Malaysian 7869 ready to taxi. Malaysian 7869 taxi to runway
Ladies and
30
gentlemen,
left.
please pay attention as we display the safety features and procedures of the aircraft in case of an emergency. During an emergency,
Eva 4715. Cleared for takeoff runway 30 left.
Stream ground FADEX 6926 taxi to the gate. FADEX 6926 taxi to gate Charlie 2.
Malaysian 2161.
Malaysian 4479er cleared for pushback.
Stream Tower, Sri Lanka 1905, ready for takeoff runway 30 left.
Stream Tower, good afternoon. Cargilux 504 is on approach. Cargilux 504 clear to land runway 30 right.
Stream ground Malaysian 4479er ready to taxi. Malaysian 4479er taxi to runway 30 left.
Stream clearance, good afternoon. Emirates 3057 ready for pushback.
Sri Lanka 1905, line up and wait runway 30
ladies and
left.
gentlemen, on behalf of the
Emirates
captain,
3057 clear for
we
pushback.
hope you enjoy flying.
Stream
Before
Malaysian
takeoff, we would like to
3848
encourage all
requesting taxi
passengers
to
to
the
watch
gates.
out for the crew display the safety features of the aircraft.
Stream ground,
Screen clearance. Good afternoon. China Eastern 87901. Ready for pushback at Bravo 6.
DHL 8931 cleared for pushback.
Stream ground, Emirates 3057, ready to taxi.
Malaysian 3848 taxi to gate Alpha 4.
China Eastern
Ladies and
87901.
gentlemen,
Cleared
on
for
behalf of the
pushback.
captain and crew, welcome aboard this flight. We hope you enjoy flying with us. Before takeoff, we would like to encourage all...
Sri Lanka 1905. Cleared for takeoff runway 30. Left.
AirAsia 1371, line up and wait runway 30, left.
Stream ground DHL 8931 ready to taxi. Stream tower Malaysian 7869 ready for takeoff runway 30 left. DHL 8931 taxi to runway 30 left.
Screen ground. China Eastern 87.
Welcome aboard. We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates flight, and we need your full attention.
30 left.
Your baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead lockers. If you're in a first
Deluxe 504, taxi to the gates.
China Eastern 87901. Taxi to runway 30. Left. Screen tower. Good afternoon. Thai 3842 is on approach. Thai 3842 cleared to land runway 30 right.
Deluxe 5
use the stowage area provided. In economy class, you may also use the space under the seat in front of you. For takeoff and landing, laptops need to be switched off and stowed correctly. Any mobile phones or tablets should be
AirAsia 1371, cleared for takeoff runway 30, left.
Emirates 3057.
Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Malaysian 7869 line up and wait runway 30 left.
Emirates 3057, continue taxi.
Screen tower, good afternoon. Malaysian 7414 is on approach. Malaysian 7414, cleared to land runway 30, right. Screen